Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Max Plus OG by Nike in the Hyper Blue colorway. These were released back on the 20th of January 2025 for the retail price of £175 here in the UK. I picked these up from StockX for £99 and it comes in a black, red and brown Nike retro box. Open up the box, comes with shoes wrapped in white paper. I would have loved a special box and accessories seen on the 2018 anniversary pair. Shameless plug, check out my video on that pair. I must also note that the green arch support pads should come with these pair, but hey, we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Nike Air Max Plus OG Hyper Blue is back in 2025 and it feels like nobody cares, which is exactly why I think it's the perfect time to pull the trigger on this iconic 90s runner. Loved by Air Max fans across the world, especially in European cities like Paris, London and Amsterdam for his gradient upper that transitions from black to hyper blue, combined with the wavy TPU overlays, which were inspired by Foot Locker's project named Sky Air, where designer Sean McDowell drew inspiration from him on his back looking at the sky below palm trees at the beach. Despite its futuristic look, it's very comfortable yet robust, tuning, pun intended, Nike's renowned air cushioning technology in both the heel and forefoot, offering a balance of impact protection and responsive cushioning. The mesh upper isn't the most breathable for today's sock-like standards, however the slimmer design, lightly padded collar and tongue provides a snug, secure fit. Finished off with a solid high traction rubber outsole, this sneaker delivers on both grip and overall durability. On feet, I went up half a size on these because I have more of a wide foot. If you're wondering, I did pick up a second pair for £80 on StockX because these are 2 pairs minimum, and I couldn't resist getting 2 for the price of 1. Thanks for watching. As usual, drop a like and comment TN to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Or are you running around falling for Nike's latest gimmick of the Air Max 97 big bubble, making OG colorways for some reason super limited? Anyway, I'm not going to rant. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.